Okay, it is 6:30 in the morning. Angelica had only 2 hours sleep. Okay, you can blame Ella for that in the morning. But it's really beautiful. Check this out. Oh my god! Okay, we've just made it into Oslo, and as you can see, Angela over here has pretty much kept her same clothes on. As for me, I've completely upgraded. It's freezing out here. For Angela, it's perfect. I don't know what she's talking about. Anyways, let's check out the city and see what it has to offer. We've only got 6-7 hours maximum to see everything. So let's try our best. Okay, so made it to the Royal Palace at last, and as you can see, I'm covered in clothes while the kids right behind me are wearing t-shirts. It's still summer in September in Norway. I have no idea what's going on with these people. Anyways, let's check out the palace. Sorry, let's check out the Royal Palace. Okay, so we're at the Royal Palace and these are the guards. And they are so friendly compared to the British ones. I gotta say, the British ones need to learn a little. But unfortunately, once I asked her to take a picture, which worked out rather well, all these Chinese tourists started taking advantage of it. I feel they're taking it too far, but hey, we're about to find out. Are you happy?
Yes!
I think that so far this is the highlight of my trip, me taking a picture with a guard. Okay, so this is the palace, and this is the garden, the palace gardens, whatever. Check it out. It turns out the king likes his honey. He's got his own beehive going on there. So, anyways, let's check out our next destination. Okay, as you can see, it's 1 and we started at 11, so we've only been exploring the city for 2 hours, but we've already managed to do nearly 75% of it. So there's very little to do, I guess, but that's not entirely true because there's this awesome island over there, which we've been told is really worth going around, but I think it's a little risky if we don't end up getting the ferry back. So we're gonna stay on the Oslo side of the city and make the most of it. So let's check out the B-roll. Okay, this is it. Here's our plane, our flight back to Manchester. And I'm a little bit injured. Angela is just tired. I'm tired too. Any final words, Angela?
I think it was a very perfect holiday.
Yes, except for my finger. And I learned that her name is not Angelica, but Angela. So Angela it is from now onwards. Thank you, Ella. Anyways, here and out. Okay, so I just got out of the clinic, the hospital, sorry. Everything is looking good. They've removed all the old plasters and put some better ones on. Luckily no flesh wounds or any deep cuts or any damage to anything at all. So yeah, but at least I can put my mind to rest, and yeah, thank you very much NHS. And now back to work.